Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we will learn one of the most important data structure topics, stack, using static array. By end of this video, you will clearly understand what is stack, LIFO principle, stack overflow and underflow, push, pop and display operation with C code, perfect for VTU exam and Viva. A stack is a linear data structure in which insertion and deletion are performed at only one end called the top. Example, think of a plate. The plate placed last is removed first. That's LIFO. What are the stack conditions? There are two important conditions you must remember for exam. Overflow and underflow. Push operations on a full stack. Underflow, pop operation on an empty stack. These terms are frequently asked in VTU exam. Now let's implement stack using static array. See, here we are defining the max size, then we are creating an array named as stack, and we are creating one variable named as top, which we are initializing with -1. Top equal to -1 means stack is empty. Push operation. Push operation inserts an element at the top of the stack. Algorithm is check overflow, increment top, and then insert element. And here is the code. Here we are checking if it is overflow or not. If it is true, then we are printing stack is overflow. Otherwise, we are just incrementing the top by using pre-increment function, and then we are adding the item to the stack. Then coming to pop operation. Pop operation removes the topmost element. First we will check for underflow condition, then we will return at top and decrement the top. So it will go like this. We will create one function named as pop, and then we will initialize if top equal to -1, which means stack is empty, condition is underflow, so we will print stack underflow. Otherwise just we will decrease the top minus minus, which means this is a post decrement function. First we will return this top, and after returning the value of top will be decremented, that is post decrement. Then coming to display operation. Display operation prints elements from top to bottom showing LIFO order. Here we are using just display function. If top is -1, which means stack is empty, we will print stack is empty, which is a condition of underflow. But here we are printing on screen, so we will display stack is empty. Now if it is not -1, which means elements are there. So coming to this line, here we will print stack elements are. We are using for loop for printing, where we are using integer I, which will be start from top, and we will keep I is more than equal to 0, and we will decrement the I, and we will print by following the stack logic. Here is the basic diagram for the stack. See, this is the top, this is the stack, and this is the first element, second, last, and 30 is at the top, so 30 will be removed first. If another element will come, which will come above the 30. What are the advantages and limitations? Advantages are simple implementation, fast access, push and pop is order of 1. Limitations are fixed size, overflow problem, memory wastage. Always remember, a stack is a linear data structure that follows LIFO principle, where insertion and deletion are performed at the top. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Express VTU for all, and if you want these notes, join our Telegram channel, link is in the description. Thank you.